Saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box? No!
Just throw it all away, you know.
No!
Hey everybody, Sexy Matt the Pharaoh Wizard here with loot crate. Yes, I got the June loot crate. I'm excited to open it. Obviously, someone else is excited to open it because that's how it came in the mail. What are you gonna do? How's everyone doing out there in YouTube land? Yeah, just opening loot crates, hanging out, doing my thing. Alright, but let's just jump into it. Let's just get into this bitch. So, it says evolution of the crate, of a crate. I'm assuming this is... It's evolution! I'm assuming we'll find out in a minute. Alright. Well, first things first, because this was from a previous loot crate. This is from the Beast Mode one. It's Beast from Sandlot. You're killing me, Smalls. And so this is from a crate like 3 crates ago. But yeah, it's got Beast. Forever.
Forever. Forever. Forever. Forever.
Let's just get that one out of the way. Because that's that. It's not even for this crate. Alright. For stuff from this crate, we got our shirt right on top. And we got a sword. Let's see. It's just a broken sword. The tag says Lord of the Rings. Is there a broken sword in Lord of the Rings? I don't know. I don't really give a shit about Lord of the Rings. So, meh. I mean, you can pass it off as whatever. It's got a fucking broken sword. So, that's kind of cool, but yeah. Meh.
5 for return.
Dude. All right, look. There's only one return, okay? And it ain't of the king, it's of the Jedi.
Okay, so I have not 1, not 2, but 3 Batman black and white figures. So yeah, let's see what we got here. My first one is... It's Batman! Now this looks like it's the Gary Frank Batman. It looks like... Is that the... Pretty sure that's the Rebirth Batman costume. Okay. There's one Batman. One Batman! Ha 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 ha! Alright, so we got another one. Let's keep opening. And we got, this time, looks like we got the Jason Fabuk Batman. This looks like, I don't know. It's not New 52, because New 52 has the piping. I don't know which Batman costume this is. But it's another Batman. 2 Batmans! Ha 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 ha! So many Batmans, I need to take a drink in between. Okay. And finally, one more Batman. What do we got? Got a text message. We got... Arkham Asylum Batman. Ooh! Big ears Arkham Asylum Batman. Alright. 3 Batmen! Ha 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 ha! How many licks does it take to get to the center of the Batman? A 1, a 2, a 3. 3 Batmans! Interesting. I just realized this when you put them all together. Ah, shit, I dropped one. When you get them all together, they're all looking at something over there. I don't know, something's interesting over there. Over there. But, there you go. 3 Batman figures. I'm assuming it's supposed to be the evolution of Batman.
Robin, you haven't fastened your safety bat belt.
We're only going a couple of blocks.
It won't be long until you're old enough to get a driver's license, Robin. Then you'll be able to drive the Batmobile and other vehicles. Remember, motorist safety.
Gosh, Batman, when you put it that way.
And we have some socks. Shazam! Ah, these aren't bad. These are pretty cool Shazam socks. I had some already, but I think I already wore through them, so there we go. New Shazam socks. Again, a Shazam!
From the Shazam ISIS Hour TV show?
No,
God, remember Shazam? Wait, who was the actor that played Billy Batson? Remember? He'd go, Shazam!
Alright, I like Shazam. Cool. That is very awesome. Alright. And we got a book. It's the official Ghostbuster edition, Tobin's Spirit Guide. And yeah, it's the Scoleri brothers! I'm getting a pretty good collection of nerdy books that don't have any real information, but they look like a thing. Because I have the Back to the Future 2 Gray's Sports Almanac. And I got this. I think I have a Grail Diary from Indiana Jones. Seeing what kind of ghosts we got in here. We got Cthulhu. Vince Clortho and Zool, and it actually says that. Okay, that's fun. I mean, I don't know what more I'd do with this, but that's kind of fun. Tobin's Spirit Guide. Loot Crate Edition.
Something terrible is about to enter our world, and this building is obviously the door. The architect's name was Ivo Shandor. I found it in Tobin's Spirit Guide.
And no pin. Looks like they gave up on the pin. Weird. So, the box kind of flips around and becomes like a, I don't know, a thing. But obviously this one's wrecked, so I'm not gonna do shit with that. But we can find out what's on this card. Let's figure that shit out. Okay, so the theme is legacy. Legacy. So you got your Lord of the Rings shirt. I don't know, this one looks different than mine. Like, it's got the sword, but it's like blue there. I don't think mine's blue. Exclusive Lord of the Rings shirt, Loot Crate Edition, Ghostbusters book, Shazam socks. Receive 3 of 15 Batman figures. Wow. And apparently they messed up or didn't get it, but I should have got a Justice League pen. I did not get a Justice League pen. So the legacy of Loot Crate is still there, of forgetting shit or being late and generally annoying the fuck out of me sometimes. But let's take a look at the whole motherfucking box, y'all. What? Alright, here we go. Here's the whole June Legacy Loot Crate box, minus the pen I didn't get. So, this is from a previous box, but it finally came to me. For a water bottle, it's very stiff. You can't squeeze it, and it's open. Like, it's open right now, and you cannot squeeze it. It's a little small for a water bottle, too, so but that's not really part of the box. So let's judge what should have came in the box here. So, we got not 1, not 2, but 3 Batmen. They're all really cool figures. It's a cool black and white setup. It's very cool. I got different ones, but it's still 3 Batmen. I feel like they could have done a little bit more with that. You know what I mean? Like, it's just 3 random pulls of this black and white Batman figure. Like, am I gonna go out and try and, like, collect all of these? No. It's just more Batman. So, I don't know. I like it that it's Batman, but I don't need 3 of them. So that's what I think there. Got your Shazam socks. These are very awesome. I actually really like these. Very cool, enjoyable, awesome. You got your Tobin Spirit Guide. This is fun. It's got a lot of goofy jokes and really cool stuff in here and stuff through Ghostbusters lore. I actually really like that. That's very cool. And finally, your Lord of the Rings shirt. And I was not wrong. It should have been blue. I got gray on gray. This blue, honestly, it'd been cooler. Meh. Not not feeling the shirt as much. So overall, this box is actually pretty cool. They actually been stepping up their game. Was it like the April or March one? Was really lame. Like, I didn't like anything from it. And I think they stepped up their game. I think doubling up the Batman, or tripling up the Batman, a little bit of a cop-out. The fact I didn't get something that should have been a Justice League pin, that sucks. But the socks and the book are very cool. And the Batman figures are cool, don't get me wrong. I just don't need 3 of them, you know what I'm saying? And the shirt is pretty meh. But, so overall, I think it's a very good box. So, fuck, that's pretty cool. So, cheers, fuckers.